Good morning, children. Welcome to today's lesson. In our previous class, we talked about areas of shapes, how to find the area of a square and a rectangle. Today, we are going to be finding one side of a square and rectangle. Example 1. The area of a square is 100 centimeters square. Find its length or side. Now children, this is a square and the area is 100 centimeters square and we are looking for the side. Now children, for us to get the length or the side, we need to find the prime factor. Remember, we are using the prime factor method in this case. Now, to find the prime factor of the area, you need to use the smallest prime number to divide 100. And the smallest prime number is 2. Now, 100 divided by 2 will give you 50. 50 divided by 2 will give you 25. Now, 2 can divide 25 but with a remainder. Now, what prime number comes after 2? 3. 3 can also divide 25 but with a remainder. And what comes after 3? 5. 5 can divide 25. Now, 25 divided by 5 is 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now, children, for us to get the length or the side of this shape, we have to pair them in 2s because the square unit of area is centimeters square. And that is why we are pairing them. This is it, centimeter square, okay? So now when we pair this, remember to pair the same numbers. So we pair 2 and 2, this will give us 2. And pair this, which will give us 5. Now we multiply. 2 times 5 equals to 10 centimeters. And that is your length. Now children, we'll write them here. This is 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Now for us to confirm that this is actually the true area, we'll multiply. 10 centimeters multiplied by 10 centimeters will give us 100 centimeters square. Is that clear? Great. Now, for the second example, the area of a square is 144 meters square. Now children, if you can recall, in our previous lesson, we found the area of a square and we got 144 meters square. Now children, we are going to find the side of this area. Let's go. Now, to find the area, remember I told you we are going to use the prime factor method. Now, remember the smallest prime number. And the smallest prime number is 2. 144 divided by 2, 72. 72 divided by 2 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now children, 2 can divide 9 but with a remainder. Now, what prime number comes after 2? 3. Now, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Remember I told you, we always group them in 2s. And remember to group the same number. Great. So this will be what? 2. And we group this, it will give us 2. Group this, gives us 3. And then we multiply. 2 times 2 times 3. Now children, 2 times 2 is what? 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. And that is your length. Is that clear? Great. Now children, we are going to be finding the length or breadth of a rectangle. Now, to find the length or breadth of a rectangle when area is given, now we're going to find length. Now the formula to find length is area divided by breadth. And to find the breadth, it is area divided by length. So children, it depends on the side that you are looking for. So if length is given, area will divide breadth. And if breadth is given, area will divide length. Do you get that? Great. Now, example 1. The area of a rectangle is 32 centimeters square and the breadth is 4 centimeters. Find the length. Now remember, to find the length is area divided by breadth. Now what is the area, children? Remember here, the area is 32 centimeters square divided by the what? Breadth, which is 4 centimeters. And this is what we have here. 32 divided by 4 will give us 8 centimeters. So this is the length. Okay? Now children, note that length and breadth end in centimeters and meters, while area ends in centimeters square and meters square. Now, example 2. The area of a rectangle is 60 centimeters square. The length is 12 centimeters. Find the breadth. Remember, for us to find the breadth, area divided by length. And the area is what? 60 centimeters. So 60 divided by 12, which is the length, will give us 5 centimeters. So the breadth is 5 centimeters. I hope you had a wonderful time. Now children, remember to do your assignments, and while you are doing them, don't forget the formula, and make sure you read your questions very carefully and answer them correctly. I hope you had a wonderful time. Stay safe and goodbye.